The battle between gaming console rivals continues. PlayStation has released a slimmer PS5 model, and word is that they will be coming out with PlayStation 5 Pro. Meanwhile, after launching the Xbox Series X and S, Microsoft is likely cooking up plans for a new Xbox release to stay competitive. Though nothing official yet, rumors are swirling about potential features and upgrades for an upcoming Xbox console. Microsoft is keeping quiet so far, but leaks provide hints of what could be in store. Let's dive into the leaked details and explore the possibilities around what may be next for Xbox.
Did you know that 73% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
The Xbox Series X and S were released in 2020 as Microsoft's latest generation of gaming consoles. While successful, like PlayStation, Microsoft is expected to release slimmer, updated versions in a few years to keep up with advancing technology and meet evolving consumer demands. According to a report from the Eurogamer, potential details on next-generation Xbox consoles have emerged from leaked Microsoft documents. Additionally, the YouTube channel Colt Eastwood, known for its Xbox coverage, posted a video discussing similar leaks and rumors. While the reliability of these leaks is unclear, they may provide early insight into Microsoft's plans. The leaks suggest updated Xbox Series X and S consoles launching in 2024 and 2025. The Xbox Series X refresh is codenamed Brooklyn and will feature a new cylindrical design, 2 TB of storage, faster Wi-Fi, a new low-power mode, and a USB-C port, according to the Eurogamer report. It will maintain the $499 price point. The Xbox Series S is codenamed Elwood and keeps the current design but with 1 TB storage, faster Wi-Fi, and lower power usage, as Colt Eastwood's video outlined. Microsoft is promoting the sustainability of both new models, according to both sources. The documents point to a May 2024 announcement of the new Xbox controller, followed by the console reveals in the summer of 2024, Eurogamer reported. The Series S will launch first in August 2025, followed by the Series X in October 2025. Microsoft also plans to offer the current Xbox Series S for $199 in 2025 before discontinuing it completely, the leaks indicate. These leaks imply Microsoft is planning its next console generation far sooner than the traditional 8 years. This shortened 6-year lifecycle could give Xbox a technical advantage heading into the late 2020 SE over PlayStation. It also aligns with Microsoft's vision for more frequent, incremental console updates rather than very spaced-out generations. However, some community members are disappointed by the quick turnover after just purchasing the new consoles in 2020. Others are excited about the potential for more advanced and eco-friendly designs that the leaks suggest. More frequent updates mean more opportunities to take advantage of new gaming technology. While unconfirmed, these leaked details provide an interesting glimpse into the possible future of Xbox consoles. As always, we will have to wait for official word from Microsoft to learn what they definitively have in store. The accuracy of these rumors and leaks remains to be seen. We simply aim to summarize the unofficial information currently circulating for those eager to learn about what may lie ahead for Xbox. But nothing is certain until Microsoft formally unveils its next-generation console plans. The expectations raised by these leaks paint an exciting picture. More sustainable and capable consoles arriving more frequently. But the actual future for Xbox likely remains fluid, with many uncertainties ahead before their next generation takes shape. As details emerge, Microsoft faces building hype while maintaining flexibility. The coming years promise to be a fascinating season for Xbox fans eagerly awaiting what's next. If accurate, these leaks indicate an ambitious and innovative direction for the Xbox platform. but we'll have to wait patiently for concrete details directly from Microsoft about the future. As eager as fans may be for news of the next Xbox, these leaked plans could easily change between now and any official announcement. We can only speculate based on rumors until Microsoft decides to share its roadmap.